popular Nigerian pastor Dr. Paul Enenche of Dunamis International Gospel Center has surprised many people by turning down a big donation during a church crusade. In a video that is now trending online, Pastor Enenche was seen refusing a 30 million naira donation from the Kebbi state government. The event happened on 18th of June 2025 during the second day of the Healing and Deliverance Crusade at the Aliru Abdul Stadium in Birin, Kebbi. During the event, a representative of Kebbi State Governor Nasir Idris came on stage to present the money as a gift to appreciate the pastor's visit, but Paul Enenche, standing beside his wife, politely refused the donation. He thanked the government for their kind gesture, but said the church couldn't accept the money. Instead, he advised that it should be used to help orphanages or charitable organizations. Many people online have shared their thoughts about the video. Some praised Pastor Paul Enenche for his honesty and humility. Others wondered if the church leaders would have done the same thing.
Our governor, His Excellency Dr. Nasir Idris Abdullah Ngondu, a faithful governor and also a comrade governor, which you all know he is the only comrade governor in this country. He has therefore graciously approved the donation of the sum of 30 million naira to this gathering. That is to the organizing committee. No. His Excellency has approved this donation of sum of 30 million naira to the organizing committee, which you know that whenever His Excellency made a donation, he don't leave without bringing that donation in cash. So before I leave this stage, I want to present that sum of 30 million naira in cash.
So if there is anything like orphanage, if there is anything like that, at your discretion, please apply this amount of money to it. No. It will not be received. It will not be received. They are trying to, demonstrate hospitality, that this is their nature and all of that. The hospitality is very, very clear. It's the nature of and all of that.
And we really appreciate what he did in the state. And our governor, His Excellency Dr. Nasir Idris Abdullah Ngondu, whoever comes to Kebbi State, he will definitely show him hospitality and show him appreciation, equity, and whatever it is. We have a lot of issues, but coming here, we learn and we see he did a lot to our Christian brothers. Everybody, we donated some sum of amount, which he said is his nature, they don't accept. Because whatever he is doing it for the sake of God. We really appreciate and we really thank him for what.
While some said Enenche is a man of principle and his action was a gospel message to the whole state, others said the rejection happened publicly. Kebbi needs the money than church. This isn't the first time Paul Enenche made headlines. He recently spoke about his humble family background while preparing for his wedding anniversary. Even though people have different opinions, Pastor Paul Enenche's choice has started conversations online about how religious leaders should respond to government gifts and support. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.